Hi there, it's Bill of Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time in reviewing this video on this absolutely killer Leblond Toolroom lathe. Serial number 6E237. Verifying the serial number here. 6E237. Our stock number 618. First thing we'd like to do is show you as an inspection point of view to save our client from traveling from out of state into Salt Lake City, Utah, how the indicator looks going up and down on the longitudinal ways. Crawling nice and close here.
Let me show you that needle does move.
Let me focus it a little bit. Do that again, please.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. So we're showing you basically that the needle is not jumping around. Copacetic. And Tim, we're going off of this front surface on the way here, which is a very critical surface. While we're here doing the ways, yeah, let's go ahead and remove that indicator. Thank you. Let me show you the cross slide. Get a nice up close on the ways. Just trying to save you a trip, buddy, so you don't need to fly all the way out from Texas to come check this bad boy out. Okay, what RPM are we currently running, Frank?
137.
Okay. We're going to go ahead and run through some different speeds, some different feeds, go through the entire machine with the tooling as well. The machine is complete with the taper attachment on the rear. Has a pair of steady rests. The oversized steady rest does require spindles to be supplied. The smaller steady rest does have the brass tips with it. The machine has coolant. What RPM are we running?
That is 194.
194 RPM?
265.
265. The machine goes from 25 to 1000 RPM. Has a number 4 Morse taper in the tailstock. Looks like you're currently feeding on the longitudinal.
Yes.
Half nut engaged, feeding on the longitudinal. The overall reverse.
Yes.
Cross.
Connect to wood. Reverse. And we'll do the half nut.
Very smooth. Engagement of the half nut for threading. The threading goes from 2 to 112 TPI with 48 changes. Beautiful. Okay, we're 3.5 minutes in. Okay, here's the threading chart showing from 2 to 112 TPI. Here's the RPM showing from 25 to 1000. It has a 1 3/4 on the spindle bore. While he's changing speeds, I'm going to real quickly hit the tooling here. We've got a 12-inch 3-jaw that's on it. We've got a 15-inch 4-jaw with one-piece top jaws. Beautiful chuck here. Follower rest. Jacob's Rubber Flex collet chuck. We have a buck 6-jaw chuck. It's a 6-jaw chuck. Believe it or not, it's a buck. We have a heavy-duty faceplate. There's the spanner wrench. There's the chuck wrench. Removable chip pan, thread-chasing dial, coolant system, and the 12-inch 3-jaw that's on it. It's an L1 spindle nose. The actual swing over the bed is 19.5 inches by 60 inches from face of center to face of center. Overall weight on the machine is 5,000 pounds, and it's currently wired at 440. Yeah, we're just under 5 minutes on the video. That does sound great. Frankie's showing off the quill on the tailstock. Nice assembly, feels good, looks good, nice action. Alright, well on behalf of Machinery Consultants in Salt Lake City, Utah, we'd like to thank you for reviewing this video on this Leblond lathe, serial number 6E237. Additional photos and the quote can be found on our website at www.machineryconsultants.com. Thanks again for reviewing this video and have an awesome day.